One stroke. One stroke. Left back. Stop. Left back. Stop. Forward one. Forward one. Right back, right back. Stop. Right back, go forward. All forward, all forward, all forward. Right side only, right side. Both, stop. Both sides forward. Stop. Both sides forward. Stop. Lean in, lean in. Right forward, right forward, right forward. Get down, get down. Forward, forward, forward. Stop. Forward, 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 forward. Paddles up, paddles up. Right side forward, right side forward. Both sides, both sides. Stop. Everyone, take your paddle. You're going to put it in the sky. We're going to touch the tip. Woo! Hey! Forward two. That's good. Stop, stop. Nice tunnel chute. Woo! Woo! Nice work, everybody. Listen. One of our bigger ones. That does not mean we cannot mess other rapids up. Forward, 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 forward. Left forward, left forward, left, left, left. I got it. Tony. Stop, stop. Robert, Robert. Everybody else back. Everybody else back. Everybody else back. Pull it in, pull it in. All right, how you doing?
Got you, got you. Got you.
Just take it speed, okay?
Here, give me my paddle. Give me my paddle. Sorry, sorry.
Let's scoot back a seat and give her some space.
Okay.
Honey, you okay?
Good.
All right, here you go. Everyone, we're still paying attention. We have one more raft, okay? Woo!
Somebody's shoes coming through. Grab it. Finish. There you go.
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. And sweep kick. Who's got sweep? Guys, get over here.
I got it. Let's go back.
Back, back, back. Back, back, back. Stop. Keep going back, keep going back. Right over me, right over me.
You guys got me out really fast. I didn't think that was going to work. We got you, we got you. I was like a dead body out of the water. Should we keep going back?
We're going to come over on the side.
Maybe we should.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no. What?
Bloody nose.
Oh no.
Hold that tube, okay? Sit still. Just take a second here.
Yeah. You got the... Yeah.
Yep. I'm going to have you sit up. It's going to help you out a ton here, okay? So get all the way in the boat. Come on all the way. That's our biggest rapid, okay? There's nothing else like that on this river.
Did you see Pondo's nose?
I just have a bad
Walter, stand by.
Did you see Pondo?
I was under for a long time.
So was I.
Oh, man, it was
Let's
scary.
go down. He seems to be okay. Let's go down to the other boat.
Like, should we paddle?
You know what we're going to do? We're going to take this off for a second, and you're going to sit your butt right here, okay?
I was there for a long time.
Come on all the way to the middle, though. All right? We don't want you falling in again. He's okay. Let's go. Just check on the video. Right.
Everybody's okay there?
No, look at Pondo.
Someone's got to take one.
I'm just in shock. I'm sorry. I'm in shock too.
This is the first time.
I got
I think it might have been a paddle board. Or paddle.
I was close to it.
See, they're in shock too.
This was crazy.
Yeah.
And I was caught in the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sit on the shore. I think it's more muscle.
A little bit. No, not right now. I just need to relax a little bit.
And 20 ways to top out.
It was...
Here, I want to go see how they're doing.
If you want to hop out, you can.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, if you want to sit on the shore or stand up and kind of...
I'll sit over here.
You have a gash on your elbow, sir.
Thanks for doing the work.
They have it. Nice.
I'm good now.
Nice.
I'm better.
It's been on this whole time. For the what? Yeah, definitely.
I kept looking for you, but I don't know where you were.
It's on right now.